again. I'm still tired, so.
You're adorable. Yes, you are.
I see guys.
I know you do. I don't see them.
I'm gonna go pet that thing over there.
That's
So lame.
You were so stubborn.
Not my
Thank
fault.
you for pointing that out.
More than
Oh my goodness.
This is a sturdy animal to really give a good
Hi.
solid pet to. You gotta.
Yep.
And it's sweet. I bet his nose is soft like a horse.
It is. It's really soft.
Did you already pet his
You
nose?
are.
Yeah.
Does he have a name
He's
somewhere?
Oh, it's really soft.
Oh, buddy, I know he's not a horse, but like horse noses.
Yeah.
I suppose I could be proper and call you a donkey.
Now, is he a donkey or is he?
I think he's a donkey. He does not look like a mule.
Look like
to
a
me.
mule. Yeah.
Of course, we all know what they call donkeys, right?
jackass.
So if you ever are being mean to someone, be like, "You're a donkey," and then they'll know what you really mean.
That works too. Hi. Hi. You're adorable.
And are those horses being friendly? Like they want to be friends?
Hi. You're so adorable. What are you doing? You can't go out. You can't come out. I know it. I'd let you out if I could, little one.
Do you just like love getting a back rub?
Oh, come on.
Not that
Yeah. Why are you being lazy? Why? You're so lazy. Just wanted to. Ooh, and more horses. Hi. Oh, it's a big horse, guys. Look. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I'm enjoying these. Hi. Hi. Oh, hey. Hi. You're so soft. like you so much. You're so beautiful. Look at your beautiful face.
And a goat?
He can't get out.
No, we won't.
We're good. He pushing.
Maybe after we eat.
I got you. Got you. Oh, this is sure you can pet me.
Yep.
Sure you can pet me.
Okay, bye guys.